Hello everyone and welcome back to another new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share a Notion page. So simply go to your Notion app and in your private section, select the page that you want to share. And in the right corner, you will see a share option. Simply tap on here. And in here, you can see two options. And the first one is invite. You can invite people by searching their email or group, and you can also copying this page, or you can also invite only just like this. You want to share this page only with yourself, then you can also choose these options. So these are the two ways. If you simply type someone email or their group and give them an invite link, they will see your page, and that's a way how you can share a page in Notion. That's all for today's video. Hope this video find will help you. Let me know in the comment sections if you have any problems, and like and subscribe our channels for more tips and tricks.